Salut tout le monde, I am Reva, your French tutor, and welcome to this video where we will be looking at different hobbies and how to express what you like doing or how to express what your hobbies are in French. So to begin with, hobbies, the word for hobbies in French is loisir. Something that you like doing, something that you like to do every day is loisir. Let me repeat the pronunciation, it's loisir. And in this video you will be looking at two things. First of all, how to express something that you like, and second thing, a number of different vocabularies for expressing your hobbies or activities that you like to do. Okay, voila. Okay, so like I said, the word for hobbies is loisir, and first of all the question is, how do you ask someone what their hobbies are? So here we say, quels sont vos loisirs? So what are your hobbies or what are your likings? So loisir is something that you like to do, and when you ask a person, you ask quels sont vos loisirs? Voila, c'est ça. And in response we say j'aime tirer. So j'aime quelque chose. So I like to do something, or I like this particular activity. So aimer is a prime verb that you will need in this particular discussion. It is aimer means to like. So j'aime is the conjugation for je, of course. So in this particular sentence it's j'aime dash, so I like dash. So this can be followed with two things, either an infinitive verb or with a noun. So for example, I like to swim, infinitive, or I like swimming, noun. So both options are available to use after this verb j'aime dash. And in the following examples I have included mixed examples of both the things, infinitive and noun, so you will get an idea of how to use both. Voila, c'est ça. So proceeding to examples, first one, j'aime lire des romans. So I like to read books or novels. I like reading books. So lire is a verb over here, it means to read. So j'aime lire, so I like to read des romans. Roman means novels. So if I even eliminate des romans, I can still say j'aime lire, means I like to read, because lire is an infinitive. Voila, j'aime lire des romans. Then we have j'aime jouer à l'ordinateur. So j'aime jouer, again I use an infinitive. Jouer is to play. So j'aime jouer, I like to play on the computer. So à l'ordinateur. L'ordinateur means computer. So voila, again it's a similar example. J'aime jouer à l'ordinateur. C'est ça. Then we have j'aime regarder la télé. Similar example. Regarder is again an infinitive, it's a ER verb. So j'aime regarder la télé. So la télé means basically television. So I like to see television. Then I have j'aime rencontrer des amis. So rencontrer means to meet. Again an infinitive, ER verb. Des amis means friends. So I like to meet friends. J'aime rencontrer des amis. So the next example is j'aime écouter de la musique. So again écouter is a ER verb, it's an infinitive. So j'aime écouter de la musique. So I like to listen to music. Tout simplement. So let's revise these five again. J'aime écouter de la musique. J'aime rencontrer des amis. J'aime regarder la télé. J'aime jouer à l'ordinateur. J'aime lire des romans. Tout simplement. Et voilà. Then we have shopping. So j'aime faire du shopping. So again, faire is an infinitive, it means I like to do shopping. So j'aime faire du shopping. J'aime aller au cinéma. I like to go to the movies. So aller is to go, so j'aime aller au cinéma. J'aime nager. So nager is to swim. J'aime nager. J'aime jouer au foot. So I like to play football. jouer is a word that we have done earlier in this video itself. So j'aime jouer au foot. Similarly again, j'aime jouer aux échecs. Échecs, chess. So I like to play chess. J'aime faire de la danse. So I like to do dance. J'aime faire du dessin. So I like to do drawing. J'aime faire du jardinage. So I like to do gardening. J'aime faire de la photographie. So I like to do photography. So if you guys look at the video closely, there are basically some infinitives that are repeatedly used, which is jouer, faire, and aller, etc. So if you know these infinitives well, it's very easy to actually form these phrases because j'aime remains constant. And to give you example of where you don't need an infinitive and you can use a noun, so hypothetically I say j'aime nager. So nager is to swim, and nager is an ER verb, it's an infinitive which I've directly used. But if I want to say, if I want to use a noun in place of it, so the noun is natation. So I cannot say j'aime natation, I'll have to use the article before it. So I say j'aime la natation. So that is the only difference over here, but it's super facile. This entire segment is very easy. If you can go through the video again, you should. It's very repetitive, the verbs that we use. Aimer is a constant, it's a prime verb, and then we need jouer, faire, aller, and so on. There are just a few verbs that we need a lot, and then we just use used to detail the loisir. So j'aime aller au cinéma. So if you know j'aime aller, you can say to cinema, or you can change that cinema, which is just the location. You can change it to any other place once you know the formation of the phrase, which is j'aime aller. So j'aime aller au bureau. So I like to go to the office. It's very simple. So that is how it goes, so on and on. And I hope guys this video was useful to you, and please follow Language Fluent, our YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos on basic French vocabulary and grammar. See you soon guys, à bientôt.